Hello everyone, my name is Svetlana and I am a cohort 9 student in the second year of studying and I'm very close to graduation. I feel amazing, I feel fulfilled and proud of myself and my achievements so far. Today, I would like to share with you some of my experiences as a student and how these experiences helped me not just as a student but in my current job as well. So I am currently employed in the educational sector, but for some time I thought that I needed to make some changes in my career. And I decided that I'm going to change my job and I wanted something different, something new and better. So the time has come for me to step up and upgrade my career. And of course, I started browsing for the best options on how I can combine family, a full-time job, and studying at the same time. Not the easiest task. That is when I discovered Results College. They had the perfect course for me and it fit right into my crazy schedule. So when classes started, I was extremely thrilled and overly optimistic. Everything felt fresh and exciting. And you know what? The subjects that we are learning are very interesting and relevant, and that's what I loved about this course. I could not help but get more involved in whether we're doing our classes online or face to face. So every lesson is very well structured, highly informative, and very interesting. That's why I could not help but be engaged in the class. I realized that the more I engage in the class, the more of the content that is taught on that day stays and sinks with me because we create discussions that lead up to everyone sharing their own opinion, and this switches on our critical point, and that is an amazing process. That's how we become smarter. It is all about asking questions and making sure that you understand that subject that is taught on that day. Another thing I would like to say is that being fully engaged in the class has definitely helped me practicing my communication skills, which is essential for anyone that has English as a second language. And also, I can say that I have expanded my vocabulary with new words that are related to business, which is very helpful for my future career. It also helped me connect with my classmates, making new friendship, connect with teachers, get inspired from them. So we have some great discussions and bounced ideas of each other. So being in this course, from the first day I knew that I had to try my best and to achieve the most I could achieve and make the most of this student time. It is not easy, definitely not easy, but it is worth it, and trust me, it's very, very rewarding. I wish you all the best of luck and I hope you achieve the best you can achieve. Good luck, everyone.